Want to add money directly from your debit card into Apple Pay's balance or Apple Cash? This streamlines how you fund your Apple ecosystem for sending money or making payments. In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer money from your debit card to Apple Pay. To transfer money from your debit card to Apple Pay, you're actually likely looking to add funds to Apple Cash. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple Cash card. Tap the S icon, More Options, or the Add Money button. You'll then select your linked debit card as the source of funds. If your debit card isn't already linked, you'll need to add it to your Apple Wallet first. Finally, enter the amount you wish to add to your Apple Cash balance and confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Funds added from a debit card to Apple Cash are usually instant, ready for sending or spending. And there you have it. Transferring money from a debit card to Apple Pay, Apple Cash, is quick. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.